but we are being taped. So I'd like to tell my board then, are we good? I'd like to tell my board that we are going to now recess the executive session because of all the amount of information that could come in much more in an even quicker fashion here within the next couple hours. So we will choose, the board will choose to, or the chairman will choose to recess and consider going now into open session. Do I have a motion for open session?
Mr. Chairman, I move we go into open session.
Thank you. Do I have a second?
Second.
Okay, I have a second. Thank you, Supervisor Chukri. I'm going to ask Tom Liddy to give us a few words.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't take a vote. I'm sorry, everybody. So I have a motion, a second. All in favor, say aye.
Aye.
Aye?
Aye. Aye.
Great. Any opposed? Motion carries unanimously. We are now in open session. Mr. Liddy.
Mr. Chairman, members of the board, the reason that we have an emergency session is due to the fact that the judge has ordered actions which involve Maricopa County, and the hearing that was set previously, now there is an additional hearing set that our attorneys need to get to in the next few minutes.
Great. Okay, hearing that. Mr. Liddy.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman, members of the board. We appear before you today to seek your permission to, under Rule 24 of the Arizona Rules of Civil Procedure, to move to intervene in the legal action that we're discussing right now, which is Ward versus Jackson. And the reason we seek the authority to intervene is that we believe that Maricopa County has special knowledge and information that we can supply in evidentiary fashion and testimony from two of our key employees to the court to assist the court in evaluating the election here in Maricopa County and in adjudicating the matter before it, and also to defend Maricopa County's legal interests in bringing closure to the November 3, 2020 general election.
Okay. Thank you, Tom. So I look to my board. Any comments or questions for Tom? And before I ask for a motion? I hear none. So seeking a motion.
Mr. Chairman,
Vice Chair Sellers.
I move to grant authority to the Maricopa County Attorney's Office to intervene on behalf of the Maricopa County Board of Supervisors in the matter of Ward versus Jackson, CV 2020-015285.
Thank you, Vice Chairman. Do I hear a second?
Second.
Thank you, Supervisor Gates. I have a motion and a second. All in favor say aye.
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 Any opposed? Hearing none, motion carries unanimously. Thank you all very much for attending both the executive session as well as this open session. And I will now adjourn the meeting. No? Oh, we're going to recess based on there could be another portion of executive here coming up. So thank you both. And we are recessed. Thank you, my colleagues.